Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money to an external bank account on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Simple account using your email address and password. So just go onto Simple's website, or you could go on Simple's mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the transfer button that's in the top navigation bar or the bottom navigation bar, depending on if you're using the website or the mobile app. Now, this button allows you to transfer money to another Simple user or to an external bank account. So go ahead and click on transfer. And then you're going to select transfer to an external bank account from the drop down menu. And this is going to allow you to transfer money to a bank account outside of Simple. Now, once that's done, you're going to enter the recipient's bank account information, including their bank name, routing number, and account number. Now, you got to make sure to enter the correct information, just to avoid errors. Once that's done, you're going to enter the transfer amount that you want to send to the external bank account, and make sure you enter a valid amount that's within your account limits. Once that's done, go ahead and confirm the transfer by reviewing the details and making sure that everything is correct. And if it is, go ahead and click on transfer. That's pretty much it on how to transfer money to an external bank account on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.